girls, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Austin Betha. I'm so glad to have you guys here. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button before you leave. Also turn on the post notification just so you get notified every time I post a new video. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's just get straight into it. I know that when I posted that video of Angel buying a car, as much as you guys were excited about the news, a lot of people were like, Betha, why will not see your face? Why will not see your face? Wait till I know whether I get crow for face. Okay, I don't get crow. But yeah, guys, let me tell you, that same day I posted that Angel bought a new car and posted it on social media and everything. Shortly after, Auntie Erica posted on social media, that she also bought a new Range Rover. So blessing our range they like this, so nobody they buy Korea, nobody buy this other motor. I don't want to call their name for you. But Auntie Erica also bought a brand new Tier Rubber Range Rover. So I will see the apple for this place.
Here.
For the owner's corner.
Exactly. Oh, let's stress myself to drive. Oh, please. The ghetto. Oh my god.
Yeah, but guys, let me tell you, yesterday Angel also drove around town in her new car. Guys, it was just so funny watching her drive. Not because she doesn't know how to drive, but the way the steering was just going left, right, center. So I went to the apple for year and then small I'm gonna go jump person for road. I better come easy. Okay, I'm just really happy for her. And she actually granted a live yesterday. People were asking her certain questions. Are you in a relationship? Do you want to get married? Do you want to have kids? Blah blah blah. People just ask her plenty questions. And for her, the whole relationship thing, she mentioned that she's not in that mental space yet. See, Mona leave people. If they want marry, they go marry. If they want date, they go date. Mona leave them alone. Leave her. Make she enjoy this car when she buy now. Enjoy the house. They also kept on asking her, Angel, when are you going to tell us about the deals you are signing? We know you are signing deals codedly. This one. She said, I don't know whether I don't sign deal. I said, which one? Say you don't know whether I don't sign deal. For me, I feel like people just need to let these people be. When you put a lot of pressure on them, then they are forced to do things that they would normally not want to do. So just let things happen, in its real form. Don't let them, I don't know, just allow them. That's what I'm trying to say. Before I stay here now, bite myself because I tried to explain something for now. Allow them. Person go sign deal, go sign deal. The one who no go sign, no go sign. There's really nothing you can do about it. All you can do for them as your faves is just show them love and support them, every single time they ask for your support. And just stay away from their personal lives. Don't try to be too involved. You're just a fan. If you can't be a sinker, now I'm saying you go choke on. You go choke on with air. Now matter too much, it tire me. Now so they still drag Tega. Yesterday I think the housemates had like a Guinness party and all of that, because I saw quite a number of the ex-housemates and all of that, yeah. But before that time, Tega had taken to her Instagram page just to post a video of herself, feeling her hair, feeling her dress. Next thing for comment, person said, Tega, you don't get belly. Tega, you are pregnant, you are preggers. You are preggers because your belly don't come outside. Now Tega to come go there say yes, I'm pregnant, okay? Because what you want me to tell you? He go there say yes. Now so blood carry say, oh, Tega is pregnant, Tega is pregnant. But even if true she get belly, waiting concern you, she will get the belly. She tell you say she no know. She when they pregnant, she tell you that she's not aware that she's pregnant. If I thought she's actually pregnant, like you guys, now I know if sharp pass the person will carry the belly. The person will get the belly no. Okay, he know. And if he allow in cameraman show the belly, now because he want me una see am. If you don't want me una see the belly, una no go see am. Una need to do like say na una smart pass the person where they post the thing. Now no smart reach the person. If you want me you see am, you go see am. But now matter. Now matter. They even still call the tag Boma. Say na Boma give am belly. Say na Boma give the girl belly. I say you people leave me alone. Oh. Leave me alone. See it's too early. Get something to say. I don't want to put my mouth, but they go see the crazy. I say they call the tag the Boma for the post. Say you don't get belly, and we know say not be your husband. We know say na Boma give you this belly. Nsobu. Anyways, guys, away from all those ashirimashi, that is all those amebo will just do, I want to say very big congratulations to White Money. He got verified, I think yesterday. Finally they verified our Mazi. Not only did they verify Mazi, they also verified Pere, and I'm particularly excited for Pere because you guys know that he struggled with his page. After the show, his page was hacked. They had to open the backup page and everything. For a while he was using the backup page, and somehow he got his page back, and now he's been verified. Even though people have been dragging the guy, you people should allow these people now. Allow them. They couldn't drag the guy and say, Uncle, why you tell no say you go fit ask Aminu for the men's club? You guys, if you've been following the show or the series The Men's Club, you would know that the person who played the role of Aminu in the previous seasons was actually Ayola. But for some reason, Pere will be taking over that particular role because Ayola would no longer be available to take the role. Apparently, the scriptwriter of the show made it known on Twitter yesterday that people should just accept Pere for this role because Ayola would not be playing the role. Since he decided to relocate without even telling the cast and crew, that he would not be available and all of that. And for the scriptwriter, he doesn't think it's okay to just, kill that character as people have been asking him to do, to just kill that character of Aminu simply because Ayola would not be available. According to him, there are different characters that are tied to that of Aminu's. So if they cancel the Aminu character, then a lot of other characters like Jasmine, that's our Sharon, would no longer be on the show and all of that. So guys, I don't understand why people have to drag Pere. Pere did not tell Ayola not to take the role again. All you guys can do, all you guys owe the guy is to support him. See, one thing I've come to understand is that when a person, takes on a role and at some point decides not to go on with that particular role, maybe in a movie, or if, okay, let's even just use this whole Big Brother Naija thing for example. We've always had Ebuka as the host of the show and all of that, and you find that people are always very agitated when they say, oh, can we give the role to somebody else? Like, Ebuka might decide tomorrow that this is not what I want to do again, I don't want to do it. Are people now telling me that there will be no host for the show? No, they have to find a substitute, and you guys, you just need to support the person. I get the fact that we're always very attached to things like this. Personally, I'm always very attached to things like this. I will be pained, yeah, but I would not, go out of my way to just ridicule the person that is now supposed to, fill that gap for us. It's not easy. It's not. Do you think it's easy for Pere to now come and say, okay, yes, I want to take on the role Aminu? He knows already that Ayola has a great fan base, and he's not out here to compete for that. He's just out here to do his thing and get people to love him for who he is and just for how well he'll be able to carry out the role. You guys need to take it easy sometimes. It's not easy. It's not easy. Now, so they say, now Kule Remi go be this thing. People because they say, no, let them bring Chidi Mokeme back. Yes, we miss Chidi, but can we also give Kule Remi a chance? And this guy is already doing well. So I don't really know, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Do you think it's fair to be dragging Pere into all of this? Like, this guy is just someone that wants to act. He's just someone that, wants to do more for himself. Like, man, while that's too much, I really don't know what else to say. Okay, anyways guys, let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to give me a very big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I will definitely see you guys on the next one. Okay, bye guys.